Hi, this is Jean Falb, certified tax coach and enrolled agent, and I'm doing a video today on what I think is a good idea to look for when you're shopping for a new tax advisor. Who is this for? Well, I guess it's for the disembodied guy here, but really it's for self-employed people, business owners, real estate investors, and entrepreneurs. You want to be thinking about these things. In this session, I want you to just some things to consider when you're looking to change your tax, accounting, or advisory services, which I know is a very big deal as a client. This is a real relationship oriented type of service, and you really have to feel good about who it is that you're going to be working with because you're turning over so much of your personal life to them. So go into it with what are your wants and needs. Are you a DIYer? Do you like to do a lot of your stuff yourself and don't really want too much interaction? Are you looking to be done having somebody else do your payroll? There's a lot of compliance issues there. Maybe you want somebody to do your accounting so you can be out doing selling or whatever it is that your business is. Maybe you need reporting. You've got loans or lenders or shareholders that are looking for performance, and so you need reporting done out of your financial data. You should consider having an advanced tax strategy, and I don't mean just at the end of the year calling up your tax person and saying, should I buy a piece of equipment? That's more of a reactive tax situation, and all it does is create some sort of a projection that we hope we get right. Do you need consulting services, coordinating with a financial advisor, an insurance broker, an attorney, kind of a network team? Are you looking for tax prep? And maybe you want training so that you can do some of this stuff yourself. Maybe you want a vacation. And a good way to get that is to get a good accounting tax person in your corner. So obviously trust is extremely important. I get inquiries and leads from people who are not local to me, and I usually all but insist that we have a video chat. It's free to the client, and it just allows us to make eye contact to see how they react to me and vice versa, and it helps really get you comfortable with that person or not, and you can know that very quickly. So certainly you want to understand about what is their experience. How long have they been providing the service that you're looking for? How long have they been in business? Sometimes those are two different things. Maybe they've been working for a firm for years and then they go out on their own. So that combination is important to understand. What designations and certifications do they possess? You know, are they a CPA? Are they an enrolled agent? Are they a certified tax coach like me? What kind of pro advisor? And do those fit in with what it is that you're looking for? And what automation systems do they use in their office? So is there an ease of use for you to transfer information and documentation, which is highly important in these kinds of services? What about their reputation? Now you can Google this, you can Yelp this, but ideally, if you can, I would ask around who other business people that are using so and so. Do they appear to have integrity when you're having a conversation with them? That's fairly easy to discern if you ask some specific questions that would, basically challenge that, and however they responded, you would know where they would land. Do they service a niche? For example, do they specialize in manufacturing or cannabis accounting or something like that that really doesn't have anything to do with what your business is doing? And when you're talking with them, do they clearly and comfortably communicate with you and in a style that works for you? Are you left with your head spinning because they're throwing all this tax jargon at you? So you want to be able to feel comfortable about how you communicate with this person. And if you've decided what services you want, can you get them all in one place? Are you going to be using 3 different providers, 3 different people in your QuickBooks file, 3 different people who don't necessarily talk to each other, and they're all trying to perform a bit of service for you? Does the firm or the person offer customizable packages of services? Meaning it should feel like a menu where you can choose what services you want, and then packages are priced. And ideally, those would be based on the value that you receive, and they'd be fixed. So you would know, as a business owner, you could budget, you would understand what your pricing was for, what the scope of your engagement is, and what the price covers. And then, do they offer a money back guarantee? This is something that my firm does at a package level. So that's an important consideration to even understand if they do that. So get ready for tax season now. I know it's only mid-November of 2019. We're coming into holiday season and football and other things that just end up taking your attention away from your business. So you want to be sure and think about what it is that is important and get yourself ready for next year. So if you need any help with that, certainly you can reach out to me in the information there, and you can go to my website, which is right there, Gina, and that's my email, Gina@totaltax.pro, and shoot me an email, and we can set up a Zoom session. So hope you're having a great day. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.